Problems changing from G to C? Well, watch this. So you're a beginner, we've all been there. You've got these two chords, but you just can't change from one to the other. So let's see what we can do about that. So look at these two pictures. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to tell me what you notice about them, starting from now.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So what did you notice? Tell me in the comments. So hopefully you said something about these two fingers here. Now these two here are the key, if you'll pardon the pun. And their position on the fretboard is similar, but obviously on different strings. So if we look at the G chord, you'll see that the third finger is on the 3rd fret of the E string, or the bottom E string, and the 2nd finger is on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Now, the reason why I favoured this version of the G chord is because when changing from G over to the C and back again, it doesn't require a lot of movement. And so if you see this, here's the G chord, and then the change to C, like that. It's not a big difference, is there? Now if I compare it to another version of G, which we saw in a previous lesson about all the different possibilities for playing the open G chord, check the link there if you like. This was a version here. Now if you go from this version where you've got the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret and you've got the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, changing from here to here is a bit more of a nightmare because there's a lot more changing. But it can be a bit of a nightmare. I remember trying to play some of my favourite Beatles songs when I was learning. For example, Love Me Do, which is G and C with a bit of D in there, and trying to change, and it was quite hard. So I'm going, love, love me, do you know I love you? Very difficult there. But if we use the other version, my preferred version, going from G to C, we have love, love me do. Much easier. You know I love you. Much easier. Okay, so why not have a go at Love Me Do or Rain and Paperback Writer, A and B sides. They only have 3 chords, G, C and D. Or the 12-bar blues in G. Don't know what I'm on about? Well, there's a link up there to a lesson of the 12-bar blues in G. Why don't you watch that video, play along and start working on your chord changes. Okay, so let me know how you get on in the comments and I'll see you in the next lesson.